You guys, good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy Thursday, you guys. A new day, 7:50 right now, and I just received my first order, which is $27. It's going 4 miles within 3 drop off. So I'm just waiting for them to bring it out, and yeah, that's last drop off. Last drop off. Oh, yo, I'm tired. She said no cart. Yo, it's 9:50. Yeah, 9:53 right now. I just received my second order, y'all. My second order, $19. It's going 7 miles for 3 drop off. So after this drop off, y'all, I'ma pause for hours. I think I'm coming back around 2. I didn't sleep last night at all. I think I only slept like 2 hours. So I need to go back to sleep because I'm too sleepy right now for some reason. So I'm gonna stop here and go to sleep. I'll be back around 1 or 2. Yo, I just canceled the order. I canceled it, y'all. I waited for that order like 25 minutes. Come on now. And it shows it was ready, so I don't know what's going on in there. The order was ready. I'm like, you know what? I'm wasting time. Let me just cancel this. And I just canceled it, y'all. Yo, after canceling the other one, I just received another order. $16 shopping order. It's going 5 miles. So I'm only going to shop for 3 items. So let's go shop. So I'm going to G14, section 2. Section 2 and the modular. Let me go check. Section 2 over there and the modular 46. Let's see 46. This one? It's not this one. I think I'm on the wrong side, y'all. It's supposed to be here. Let me try to move this. Oh, I see one here. They only have one and she needs 4 of them. Okay, next we're gonna go to G18, section 5. This is our section there, section 5, and we're going to see modular 85. This is 40, 56, 85. 85 is here. So we're gonna grab this and scan it here. Okay, now I'm on my way to go to J9 to get my last item. J9. That's J9, section 1, and the modular 40. What is 40? Oh, 40, the big thing here. Right, now let's go check out. I am back. I'm back. It's 2:21 right now. I'm on my way going at Walmart. Planning to get like 4 orders so I can make like 100 maybe. Yeah, because in the morning I think I made almost $50. So I want to make another $50 before I go home. The nap was super good. Oh my god, y'all, what is this? A lot of people today. Usually this Walmart, you guys, it be empty. But it looks like in our parking lot, it's a lot of people. So, let me park here. Just received an order, you guys, $28 going 8 mile, and we're dropping 3 drop-offs. The pickup time is 2:55, so I'm waiting for them to bring it out, y'all. I'm waiting for them to bring it out. We started on a good order. That's a good order. That's one of the good orders over here. Let's go. How many waters? 4 waters, y'all. 4 cases of water. I didn't even know this. I did not even know this. I thought it was only like 1 case of water. It's okay. It's a house, so I don't mind. But if it was an apartment, you know what? Let's go deliver. It's only 4 cases of water, and it's not it's a house, so I'm Gucci. I'm good. Just received another order, you guys. $21. It's going 7 miles, 7.8 miles, and it's 3 drop off. So I am on my way going back at Walmart. I have like 6 minutes to get there, so let's go. Yo, on my last trip, I delivered to this house, so I guess they forget to put some of her stuff. I don't know. So I'm back to the same house again. I guess they forget some of her items. Yo, I just received the big order. Oh my god. Big shopping order, you guys. $56 for only 38 items shopping. Oh my god. But it's going far. 10 miles, but I don't care. Let's go shop for this order. Yo, so far this is what I'm dealing with. So far. I just hope I'm not gonna get another cart. Everything gonna fit in here, I hope. Yo, this is what I have so far. In this section over here, it took me a long time. It's packed. It's a lot of people in there, and I still have 22 items to shop, y'all. I feel like I'm here. It's taking me too long. Next, we have water. 2 cases of water. Ooh, let me make a space here. Where's the water gonna go? Ooh, this $56 is going to kill me. But thank God it's a small water. So that's how it looks. Let's go. 20 more items to go. Look at this order. Just look how packed this thing is. I'm so tired. This order took me, oh my god, I think like 1 hour, y'all. It was 38 items, but the quantities was like 70 something. That's why it's so packed like this. So I came out like this because I'm coming to pack it outside. I bring bags because it was gonna take me long time in there because there's not space to put it up. So let's bag this and put it in the car. Let me start with those down there. Guys, all done. Yo, the day is over. I'm done. It's 6 right now, 6:39. That order, y'all. But I'm thankful because it paid me real good. I'm thankful because it paid me real good. Otherwise, I'll be crying right now. Because most of our items in the store, like, I was looking, I couldn't find it. Like, I have to, it's too much. Let me not go into detail. Just know it was too much. Anyway, I'm done for the day, y'all. Oh, let me go add the money. Because I don't know where I am right now. Yo, adjustment $1.50 and 34 cents, y'all. $1.50 and 34 cents. That's a lot. Thanks to this last order. Anyway, y'all, if you have been watching my video, let me say this again. If you have been watching my video and if you love this kind of content, please go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and show love, y'all. We're almost on 1K, y'all. Please subscribe and please give this video to 100 likes. Let's see if this video can get to 100 likes, y'all. Let's thumbs up. You guys, tomorrow is Friday, so I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much for riding along with me, yo. I love you and see you tomorrow.